Hey y'all, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and this is a 2-week seedling progress update, and we've got a lot of good stuff going on. Majority of the plants have already germinated, and being that it is 77 and 68% humidity, we have turned off the heat mats. Everything's germinated that I'm expecting to come up, so we don't need the heat mats anymore. 2 weeks progress. The Faucarias are kicking booty. Look, they're so cute. And then there's more of the Faucarias in the back. And then we have the Mammillarias. They're tiny, but not as small as the Gymnocalyciums. There's one there. There's one right there. It's like, Gymnocalycium, can you see them? Yes, we can. And then the Copiapoa is over here. And like I said, it's already warming up here in Houston. And because of that, because we're under the grow lights, I've got a fan that I keep on just to help with the circulation. There's some nice airflow. And then we even have a little dehumidifier going. And it's, look, I dumped this like 2 days ago and there's already a good like inch in there. Yeah. Here, this is it. We're doing it. We're calling winter is finished. I am. And I really don't think it's gonna get cold here again. So yeah, no more heat mats. It's nice and warm in here. 2 weeks progress, looking fantastic. And I will keep the domes on the plants for now. But that's where we're at. Let's check back again soon. See ya.